Outlet type settings. In case of brands having multiple outlets, there are multiple operational outlet types. The four types being company owned, company operated, franchisee owned, franchisee operated, company owned, franchisee operated, and franchisee owned, company operated. These four types have different operational settings. So the necessary changes will be made in the system once you attach an outlet type to your outlet. Let us see how does it happen in Petpooja inventory. First, the admin has to log on to the all outlets section, and only those outlets will be visible here whose rights are present with the admin. So for example, there are 5 outlets in total of a brand, and you have given only the right of 2 outlets, which is being A and B, to the admin, then he will be only seeing those 2 outlets. To begin, you have to log on to your owner's dashboard. The admin has to select all outlet, and under all outlet, the inventory section has provision of outlet type. Once you go there, you'll be able to see all the outlets on the left hand side, and on the right hand side the outlet types. The 4 outlet types as explained earlier are present here, and you can select. Once you select the outlet type, the necessary changes will be applied in inventory. Initially, when there will be only one master admin, he'll be able to see all the outlet types. So the master admin or the main user will be able to access all the outlets in his account, but the admins created by the master admin will have access to only limited accounts. Another thing to keep in mind would be that only those outlets or kitchens which are using Petpooja will be visible here. If there are some outlets which are not using Petpooja software and there are some which do use, then the ones which are using will be listed here. So this was all about outlet type configuration in Petpooja inventory. Thank you.